Church bell, video number 132. Be content. This is the second part. I want to recollect the previous story that the head of office who was very sick, he met with the operation. He thought he would claim the whole amount of expenditure. But what happened, we will see in the second part. The officer in his original department, head of the department, Kadir, sought the approval of his bill relating to the medical expenses and sent the bill for check. Sam was in the place to check the claim, but he found it was very alarmingly claimed. The eligible amount to be claimed was only 2 lakhs, but the bill claim was given for 7 lakhs. That was actually incurred by the officer himself. But according to the rules, this was not the proper claim. Sam sent to the higher authority only 2 lakhs to be claimed. As restricted by Sam, the higher authority, sanctioning authority, approved it and sent it to the department concerned. The officer who had claimed medical expenses was greatly shocked for the lowest claim. Instead of 7 lakhs, it was the correct claim, it was very low, that was only 2 lakhs. He was furious over Sam, who had restricted the amount as per rules. But the officer thought it was a conspiracy against him. He rushed to call Sam to his chamber and abused him for the reduction of his claim only 2 lakhs. He shouted with obscene words at him. So he was ordered to leave the chamber without any sight of him. The officer Sam quietly left his place, but anyhow he told the officer there was no room for claim 7 lakhs because of the codal provision. Immediately Kadir, who was very angry, wrote a letter against Sam in order to transfer him from that place. He took the letter and went to the higher authority to give that letter. The higher official felt sorry for receiving that letter because he told, I have received a letter from the department that you are ordered to be suspended for 2 years. There was a complaint. You had received an amount of 10 lakhs as bribes to give appointment of certain staff. As for the complaint, I am fully pleased to see Mr. Sam, who had done very much to this office. So your complaint will not be taken as serious one. He was getting a good name from all the offices. In this case, I am pleased very well about Sam. Since the letter has come today, you are going to be suspended immediately. You can go home and get very good answers afterwards. This was the second part of the story. We will continue the third part of the story in the next video.